Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Benedict marang ubala job naka tiket jongka National People's Party ha ke election arajar khatra bad ubala resign no naka jinglong MLA Dangshen ban penyeso bad ka Bharatiya Janata Party ula keno baka jingmi no jong naka National People's Party ka babat ula kam sensyar ha ke ni jela kadai namar ka jingat nuat bat satsia ya Conrad Sangma Naduh ula Shah Weng naka Shuki Chief Executive Member jongka Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council. Ula kena ru bau Conrad Sangma kumu National President jongka National People's Party ula lek don bor syabapalat. Klem dak hinsnap setia yanu ru bat haduk mentaru udang yaibu ya ka jingkeli. Persya ya Conrad Sangma babalai Weng jubor ya naka Shuki Chief Executive Member jongka Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council klem da ai ya kidau bat kinong rim ki basyongnya.
Everybody that Benedict and Madam Berlin has joined BJP. Why? Why? You know regarding about district council. I've been chief executive member last 8 months. Why our chief minister he sidelined me? You know about that? Just think. Everybody wants good achievement, but I don't know why he sidelined. That's the main question first. But he didn't give the answer still, not yet. See, I have joined NPP since from long back time itself because of his father. We love his father. We know his father, how he walk, how he do everything, you know. But see, after his father left, what he have done? See, he's saying that last time election, he said, what? We don't change. I don't think so. This is wind of disaster, I think. But we believe now that we have joined BJP and now it's going to be changed to win, you know. We are going to change the wind of change. Last time he sung as a wind of change, but I don't think this totally disaster. So that's why I'm asking him why he removed. When I was in chief executive member, I am elected from my constituency and I got the chance. I'm the senior at that time. Why he removed me? That's the question. Please ask him and let him explain everything. Now see, our district council, Christmas is so near, only 1 week left, but salary is still pending. 3 years above is going up. Still like that. I mean, we should think about that. We should think about job. We should think about our youths are going on like that. They have a right to ask for job. Huh? So that's why I'm giving a question to Chief Minister that let him explain why he removed me. We have spoke, we have discussed. So everybody said this is wrong, but some other MLAs, they're still waiting for right time, but I don't think so. They're same in way, you know, same place they have gone. See, I don't want to point like that. Which I have a point, which I have a proof. That's why I'm just saying that one only. But I think I have a lot, but I'm going slowly because I have been since like that only. I have been mum for a long time, you know. I keep mum for a long time, so I'm starting from today only. That is not true. I'm coming back. Don't worry. I'm coming back.
We are winning.
I'm coming back. I'm sure.
Winning.
Because my people, my workers, my constituents people, they have select me and join BJP. They have sent me to join.
He's the father of the constituency. You'll win.
Yes, I think so. They have regret. Because see, a long time back, last time election, everywhere you have seen Benedict. No, is it? So they should regret. Why should I regret? I'm good. I'm fighting for right. I'm doing for good changes. Which changes we can bring? That 40 only. I win and I join. This is BJP only.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra
For
Modi.
development.
Yes.
Development.